Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duplicate clip and make it as overlay in the CapCut Mobile. So here I've already have this clip, and first I'm going to show you how you can duplicate the clip. So first click on the clip in the timeline and swipe through the menu until you find this duplicate option. Click on that, and to make it as overlay, I suggest you to click on the first one, and here choose the overlay button at the bottom like this. So when you click on the first one, the overlay will be aligned automatically like this. But if you click on the second one and make it as overlay, like this, you have to align it again. You can have to drag the overlay again like so. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.